Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing fine. I'm good. I'm okay. I'm doing very fine. And right here is a no makeup routine with Josie. Like, this is what I do on a normal day. I not like I'm going anywhere, not like I'm stepping out, but when I bathe, when I shower, I just always like to just do something very small, very minimal on my face. I don't go for the contour, for the foundation, for all those layering of stuff. No, I just do my no makeup like you see. I go straight to using my powder. I just dust my face and do that. That is what's happening right here. So if you're a mom, you're a stay-at-home mom, and you have been struggling with, or you don't know how to go about it, you just don't have the time, you don't even know how to start to just making your simple normal day-to-day makeup, then grab a chair, sit down, and let's enjoy this video together. Practice, they say, makes perfect. You are not into any competition with anybody whosoever. You are competing against yourself, against your yesterday and your today, just to see that you get better, right? So it's not like, okay, you go out there and you see people doing their makeups and you feel like, oh, you are not enough, you can't do this. You actually admire it, but you feel like you can never do it. What happens is, I had always been struggling with my eyebrows. I will hardly make them to even come out somehow that you can even look at it and admire. But as time went on, I kept doing this, and you can see for yourself that is better, right? If I have to conceal, if I have to just do everything now, it will come out nicely. But it's not that day I want to do any detailed makeup stuff. This one is just a stay at home, normal day-to-day makeup, and yeah, that is it. So please enjoy the video. If you are still here, like the video, please subscribe, be part of us, join the family, support your own now. Thank you guys so much for liking the video. Thank you for joining the family. You're highly welcome. Yeah, keep watching. Some days, in no particular order, we just apply the makeup, and the goal is just to look presentable. It's just to look good. It's just for you not to look like your problems. It's just for you not to look like your grandmother in the village. The goal is just to look good, even as a stay-at-home mom. You must not only look good when you're leaving the house, you have to be appealing to yourself first before stepping out there to, yeah, look good. Just you should just look good. Just look good. Some days it gets really hectic, and it feels like you cannot even think about this. This actually will not be a priority for you. It will not even be on your to-do list for that day. But then, looking good, they say, is good business, right? We are not selling anything. But you're looking good for yourself, like I said earlier, and yeah, why not? It takes a lot of intentionality For you to wake up in your house knowing fully well that your husband is not even around, like some of us in distant marriages and distant relationships, but you still putting your best to, like, okay, I just cannot look like that. You still want to look good. It takes a lot of intentionality. You really show that you mean them. You really want to look good, right? So yeah. When some people see you, they'll ask like, where are you coming from? Did you go somewhere? Are you I was just in the house. I was just there, but I needed to look good. It's good. If you even have kids and you have boys, it's a whole different ball game. Like some days, if people have been watching my channel for some time now, you will see that it's difficult for me to make a video from the beginning to the end without being interrupted by my children. Before you know it, they are banging on the door. Before you know it, they are screaming and calling, "Mommy, open the door." So at one point, I said, "Okay, I am a mom. This is my new life, so I cannot change it, and I will not stop creating content. Any video they enter they disturb, and I go see the disturbance. You people, you people will have to see it like that. Small one disturbing man no go deliver chin chin for Makepe na high. I'm off to Makepe to deliver my. Why am I even cutting all those parts out? Probably you people even like it. So yeah. Presently, I've asked them to go downstairs because they were playing downstairs. I shouted, "Okay, please give me time. Let me make a voice over this video." And they are still talking. I'm sure you can get them from the background. So what will I do? Life must continue. We have to still make our nyanga, and then we have to keep doing what we have to do. If you think that you're strong, if you think that you're tough, wait until you start having children. That is when you know how it feels. It will take you a whole lot to be able to balance your life and your new life. Like, it is crazy. It's just crazy. I remember when I just had JC in 2019, I used to keep him on the bed when he's sleeping. I go to bathe, and he fell from the bed like twice. So each time I'm in the bathroom bathing, I'm always scared, like, let him not fall, let something not happen. So you can imagine how many minutes I'll take to bathe. It's a mother's world. It's a mother's world. Men will not understand it. So yeah, that's the same thing for makeup. We just rush over it, but the goal is just to look good, look happy. Hair wax is simply the best for renewing the front of your braids. Like, I was thinking of undoing this hair, but after doing this, I think I can still use it for a week or so. Yeah, so this is just the best. I'm just getting to know it and I'm loving it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just watch to the end and let me know in the comments, is this simple look what you like to try? Are you a makeup fan? Are you a no makeup lady? Are you a stay-at-home mom? What are some of the challenges? Are you a stay-at-home content creator? How should I even put it? The struggle is real, guys. Just share your experience in the comments, and yeah, thank you guys so much. See you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of the video.